What's up guys, David here from Dignited. Today I'll be reviewing the Redmi Note 12 5G by Xiaomi. Now this smartphone was released last year and it is a budget-friendly smartphone, and in this video I want to see if it is worth your money. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so let's just unbox this smartphone here, the Redmi Note 12 5G here. This is definitely made in India. And inside the box here, I already unboxed it, but let's just see what's inside here. So inside here you get a generic protective casing here, or protective cover. You get the phone itself here, the Redmi Note 12, and then you get a 33 charger here and a USB-C cable. So this is what you get. This is the first charger here, and then of course you also get a SIM card ejector here. Yes, and the documentation, the warranty and the user guide are also in here. So that is what you get inside the box with the Redmi Note 12. Alright, let's start with the design and build. The Redmi Note 12 5G has a boxy build that may feel a bit unwieldy at first, but you'll get used to it real quick. Now, this device comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 3.5mm audio jack. The device looks premium despite having a plastic back. Now this phone weighs only 185 grams and features a 6.67-inch screen. So by today's standards, it's actually a big phone. The base model of this phone comes in Oxy Grey, Forest Green and Icy Blue colors, while the other variants like the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G and Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G come in Midnight Black, Polar White and Sky Blue. Now the power button and the fingerprint scanner along with the volume rocker are located on the right side. I personally prefer an in-display fingerprint scanner, or at least one located at the back of my smartphone, but that is just me. Otherwise, kudos to Xiaomi for retaining the 3.5mm audio jack, which provides an excellent audio quality. The device comes with stereo speakers, which are decent but could be better. The audio output via the headphone jack is excellent, providing an immersive audio experience. Alright, now let's talk about the display. The Redmi Note 12 5G comes with a stunning 6.67 AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080p pixels. Now this provides a crisp and clear visuals. It has a brightness of 4500 nits, which can peak at 1200 nits, making it easy to use even in bright outdoor environments. This device has thin bezels which help increase the phone's screen real estate and create an immersive viewing experience. The phone includes a punch-hole selfie camera at the center of the screen. This, along with thin bezels, vastly improves on the viewing experience. Alright, let's talk about the cameras now. The Redmi Note 12 5G comes with 3 cameras at the back, a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8 ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Now it also comes with a 13-megapixel selfie camera. Now the 48-megapixel main camera produces decent images in good lighting conditions, capturing good amount of detail and decent color accuracy, aided in part by the camera's AI. However, the camera's quality is rather disappointing in low light, producing images that can be noisy and lacking in detail. The 2-megapixel micro camera's picture quality is abysmal, often blurry, with a lack of detail and color accuracy. The images captured by the Redmi Note 12 5G tend to appear washed out and flat, especially for red, pinks and purples. Another significant issue with the camera system is the lack of optical image stabilization, or OIS. Now this results in blurry and shaky images. These issues can be deal breakers for users who prioritize on high quality images. Overall, the Redmi Note 12 5G camera system has a solid 48-megapixel main camera but lacks image stabilization and performs poorly in low light conditions. All right, let's talk about performance now. The Redmi Note 12 5G runs the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chipset. Now, this processor is comparable to the Snapdragon 732G that featured in the Redmi Note 12 Pro of 2021, only that this supports 5G. This processor provides good performance for its price range. The phone itself is responsive and the apps load pretty quickly. This phone comes with 4GB or 64GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal memory, which can be expanded with a micro SD card. All right, now let's talk about software. This phone comes with MIUI 13 based on Android 12, but it can be upgraded to MIUI 14, which is coming up really soon. However, MIUI comes with a lot of bloatware, which can be frustrating for users who prefer a cleaner stock Android experience, like myself. The unnecessary bloatware that comes pre-installed on the device can be a major or minor setback, depending on who you're asking. This bloatware includes the usual suspects such as Google Apps, Netflix, and Facebook, but it is also bundled with a variety of other apps like Spotify, Prime Video, Snapchat, Amazon, Bubble Shooter, LinkedIn, and Zilli. Out of all these apps, the most annoying and intrusive are by Xiaomi's own Get Apps and themes. These apps constantly flood your phone with notifications, making it difficult to use your device without constant interruptions. The good news is most of these offending apps can easily be uninstalled with just 2 taps. This allows you to quickly and easily get rid of all the apps that you don't want or need, freeing up valuable space on your device and improving on the overall performance. All right, now let's talk about the battery life of this device. The Redmi Note 12 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which can last for at least a day on moderate usage. Now, the phone comes with a 33-watt fast charger in the box. This is, of course, a welcome addition that allows you to charge the phone as quickly as possible when you need to. I have personally been able to squeeze out at least 2 days with this device. Now, the battery will go even a distance, especially when you dial down the refresh rate from the glorious 120Hz to 60Hz. All right, let's talk about the price and availability of this smartphone. Now, the Redmi Note 12 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone priced at about $250. If you live in India, the Redmi Note 12 5G is available in 2 different variants. You get the 4GB 128 version, which is priced at about 18,000 rupees, while the 6GB 128 variant goes for about 19,000 rupees. Now, if you're located in Uganda, the 6GB 128 variant is available on Jumia Uganda for 1,050,000 shillings. And if you live in Nigeria, it goes for 150,000 naira on Jumia Nigeria. If you live in Kenya, it goes for 24,500 Kenya shillings. This is an affordable price point, making it an attractive choice for those who don't want to spend a fortune on a smartphone. So I recommend it for people who are looking for a budget mid-range smartphone. Alright guys, that sums up my review of the Redmi Note 12 5G smartphone. I highly recommend this phone if you're tight on budget. You get a decent camera, a whole day battery, and a big screen for only $250. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell icon for future videos. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.